Do you really know who's watching your videos? Okay, so you can go look at your analytics and you can find out the age, the gender, the location, I get that. But do you really know who these people are at their core? Other question, do you really care? And the answer is that yes, you should. Here's why. Once you clearly figure out who your target audience is, you can create content specifically for them. A lot of creators are afraid to niche down because they're afraid they're going to lose followers or that people aren't going to want to follow them, but it's actually the opposite thing that happens. If you are so specifically talking to one person with your content, when that one person comes to your page, they're going to be like, this is made for me. This is literally made for me. And it's a no-brainer for them to follow. And the same happens with brand partnerships, because if a brand comes to your page and see that your content is so on brand for them and that your target audience is so similar, they're gonna be like, yes, of course we'll pay this person thousands of dollars. You can also figure out who your audience is and then post where that audience is gonna be most active. For example, if your audience is mostly moms between the ages of 35 and 45, they're probably spending a lot of their time on Facebook and Facebook groups maybe. You can also figure out what tone or voice you should be using so that you can create content that they're really going to relate to. For example, most of my audience is made up of millennials, so I use a lot of terms that millennials would use, not just because I am one, but because I'm speaking to millennials. And this is something that creators don't always do. They don't always think about their target audience, but creator businesses that are going to be successful, they think about these things.